Hello everyone, welcome to Next Step Immigration. We trust you're doing great today. Are you planning to apply for a visa because you want to go to Australia, but you are unsure of how long the procedure will take? We'll provide an overview of the typical Australian visa processing times in 2024 in this video. There is no exact answer available regarding Australian visa processing times because they are constantly subject to change, and it is hard to forecast when you will hear back regarding your visa. These times are recommendations provided by the Australian government and are subject to change. The Australian government says it intends to reduce the time it takes to accept visa applications by increasing the number of employees who handle applications. Priority is now given to applications for visiting, student, and temporary skilled visas that are filed by those who are not residents of Australia. Fastest to slowest visa processing timeframes. Every month, the Australian Department of Home Affairs updates its comprehensive list of visa processing timeframes on its website. These are averages, and the length could change based on difficult cases, seasonal highs, and the volume of applications. Those considering immigration to Australia through the talent stream have a number of work and study visa alternatives open to them in order to address labor shortages in Australia. The following are the processing times for significant visa subclasses. 190 skilled nominated visas take 10 months, 491 skilled work regional provisional visas take 9 to 18 months, 858 global talent visas take 9 months, and student visas for postgraduate research sector takes 42 days. Additionally, it takes 7 to 11 months for the 186 Employer Nomination Scheme Visa Direct Entry, and 12 months for the 189 Skilled Independent Visa. Processing time for student visas following medical exam. After the required medical examinations are submitted, the processing of a student visa may take 8 or 9 weeks. It is critical that you complete the medical examination as soon as possible to avoid processing time delays. Processing time for spouse or partner visa. Applicants for partner visas should be in a committed relationship with an Australian citizen, a permanent resident, or a qualifying citizen of New Zealand. The process of getting a spouse or partner visa might be lengthy due to the thorough evaluation that is required. It may take between 11 and 24 months on average, and variables that might impact processing time include the amount of applications being handled concurrently, the complexity of the case, and the completeness of the application. Processing time for 491 visas. The 491 visa, often referred to as the Skilled Work Regional Provisional Visa, is available to skilled workers who choose to reside and work in regional Australia. The processing of the 491 visa might take many months, and the wait period often lasts 9 to 18 months. The length of the processing period may vary depending on the profession, the state or territory nominated, and the amount of applications being handled. How to reduce the processing time for an Australia visa. Although the Department of Home Affairs decides the final processing time, there are several rules you may follow to improve your chances of a faster visa processing time. 1. Don't wait to apply until the last minute, especially during the busiest times of the year. Begin the visa application procedure well in advance to allow for processing time. 2. Check to make sure all required paperwork is accurate, current, and complete, and make another check of the application form to look for any mistakes or missing details. 3. To prevent needless delays, carefully follow the instructions since each visa category has different criteria and restrictions. If you have any queries about any step of the visa application process, think about seeking expert advice from a certified immigration specialist. They can assist you in understanding the specific specifications of your visa category and guarantee that your application is complete and meets all prerequisites. By frequently checking the website or contacting the Department of Home Affairs, you may keep track of the status of your application. Provide further information or documents upon request as soon as you can. Remember, you must pay the application fees for the Australian visa because they are all non-refundable. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.